Hey guys, so I was going to share with you today some tips and tricks to add vocal recordings to your Google Slides if you have some students that maybe aren't reading yet because you have younger students, or maybe you have students that have the need for a read aloud of questions, something like that. Something I want to share with you is how I do that, and then also how to make it a different picture. So I'm going to share with you, first of all, this website that's on my screen right now called Vocaroo. This was shared to me by a lovely digital specialist from my home ISD. Tony is great. She's been super helpful with a couple things and helping me figure all this out. But I wanted to share this with you. It's called Vocaroo.com. It's a free site to use. And all you do is type in Vocaroo.com, go to the website, and then right here you just, like it says, press the button, start recording. You might have to allow it like I just did. And it'll just start recording. So I'm just going to do a random kind of one to show you. When you hit pause, it'll pause. When you hit stop, it'll stop. You can play it back. But to keep it, you have to download it. So you have to save and share. And what I do is I go ahead and download it just so I have a hard copy in case something happens. And then I go over to my Google Drive, and I already have it up. Here's all my Bitmoji stuff I've been working on. And I just drag and drop it into my Google Chrome. And there it is. It uploads, and now you've got your Vocaroo. Sometimes I'll rename it, something easy to remember, whatever I'm using it for. And then I'm going to show you how you add it to your Google Slides. So what I do, I've just got this one as an example. Let's say I wanted to add that bit of audio. I'm going to hit Insert, Audio, and then in my drive it comes right up. Here's all my audio files that I have in my drive. Here's the one I did today. I'm going to select it, and when I upload it, automatically it comes up with this kind of not super pretty image of a speaker, and let's be honest, nobody really wants that on their picture. So what you need to do is right click, and it comes up with all of these options. So come over here to replace image, and you can do it by a bunch of different ways. If you have a picture in your drive you already want to use, if you have photos, camera, you can just search the web, whatever you want to do. What I like to do with Bitmoji, because this is the easiest way for me at least, is I like to come up here to my Bitmoji, and it's already in my extension. That I have another video of how to get that if you need it. Just go onto my page, and I pick whatever it is. I'm just going to pick this one because I guess I was using this one at some point, and I right click it and hit copy image address. Instead of copy image like you would normally do, hit copy image address, and that gets the URL. And then I come back over here to my not super pretty picture, and I hit, instead of one of these, I go to by URL, and I just Control V, paste it in there, and in comes my lovely picture of apparently me eating a sandwich because, you know, that's just what it is. So that is all you do, and then whenever you click the image now, that audio will play. So when I present it, or I present it online with my students, when I click the image, just like that. So you can hear me say it over and over again. So let me know if that helps or have any questions. I hope y'all have fun creating.